Hi everyone, and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Creole Seasoning. Now you might be asking yourself, what's the difference between Cajun Seasoning and Creole Seasoning? There's really not much of a difference other than the fact that the Creole Seasoning has more flavor because it has herbs in it compared to the Cajun Seasoning. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we are going to need 6 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of dry basil, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, and half to 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, depending on how spicy you really like it. Now to make our Creole seasoning, it's just this easy. Go in to a large bowl with all of our ingredients at once. Just like that. Give this a whisk. Get it all thoroughly combined. And there you have it. That's your Creole seasoning. Our Creole seasoning is done. All we're going to do is take it and store it into a nice airtight container, and it's going to last in your cabinet for several months. Now the great thing about making this yourself is you can really control the salt levels, which really helps because that stuff in the store is loaded with salt. Now you just do this and you're good to go. And it's that simple to make Creole seasoning at home. I'm going to give it just a little taste. It's really not going to do it justice because it really blooms and comes together when you cook it. You get the nice herb flavor in there from the basil and the oregano. It's a nice little bit of heat in there as well. Kind of hits you in the back of the throat. This stuff is going to be fantastic as a rub. You can throw it in Alfredo sauce or on chicken and have chicken fettuccine Alfredo Cajun style. Possibilities of this are endless. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please hit that thumbs up button if you're new to the channel. Please subscribe if you're interested in the outdoors. I also have an outdoor channel as well, and I'll have a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.